Hello, today we are going to talk about ActivTrak. ActivTrak can help you better understand your team by measuring key metrics and productive usage data, then providing valuable insights on your team's performance. ActivTrak is a free cloud-based monitoring service by tracking web and application usage. So today what we're going to do is we already set up a test account, and I'm going to show you how to install it and use this data. So the first thing I'm going to do is log in to the test account. After you log in, you can see at the very top it lists how many agents you currently have on your plan. The free plan gives you up to 3 agents that can report in. You can also upgrade your plan to include more devices. The next tier is going to be 5 agents. So since we already signed up for the free account, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and download the ActivTrak agent. All right, I'm just going to tell it to save. Then I'm going to tell it to go ahead and run this download. Installation is pretty straightforward. It does have the option right here to install in Chrome. After you next your way through the menu, then we come right here where it says it's currently finished. So we're going to say we're done. All right, we're going to refresh this dashboard. And now we can currently see that my computer is reporting in. It'll list application, and this has a lot of advanced settings. So right here at the dashboard, you can sort by the date range you want. So let's say if you wanted to look at yesterday's, last 7 days, this week, and you have all that data. You can also sort by current user. So if you're on a domain, you can go here and sort by the domain user or the computers to see all the activity on those devices. Over here, we can see if you set it up to take screenshots, it can display a list of your screenshots. And over here, we'll give some charts and graphs as far as what categories are people using as far as applications or websites. It'll say the top site they're using, and you can classify sites as being productive or unproductive. So that way you can kind of get a feel for where they're spending their time. We go over here to the left, we can have reports. Now these are going to be the same thing that's listed here in the dashboard. The one everybody usually wants to look at is going to be the activity log. So this activity log will actually show you each and everything that's being done on this computer. So for instance, if I go to Computer Pro's website, let's say I click on About Us. I start scrolling. Let's say we go to New Computers. Let's take a look here. I can go to ActivTrak. Tell it to refresh this page. Now I see these entries that we're starting to browse around the internet. Yeah, here's the one for Computer Pro, About Us. All right, you can set alarms in ActivTrak to notify you when certain conditions are met. And the part a lot of business owners are really liking is going to be the screenshots. So you can configure screenshots in this application. We're going to go over here to settings now. So in the settings, we can adjust everything from the time zone it's reporting into to make sure you're getting the right one, to your passwords, to defining the productivity apps. Add items, we can go to add item manually. We can enter in the domain name, so let's say cpru.com. I'm going to say add. You can create groups of users so you can have different teams. So that way you can track based off teams. You can do alias. You can go right here to subscriptions. You can go here to frequently asked questions. It does have a great feature that allows you to do scheduling. So let's say we didn't want to always monitor, so we can do regular work hours. And we can say the work hours from 8 to 12, and 13 to 17. So this will allow you to not monitor what they're doing outside of work hours. Alright, we're going to go back up here. We're going to go to screenshots. And now we're going to configure the screenshots right here. So we can tell it to let's go ahead and take a screenshot anytime. We're going to say all computers, and it's going to be a 20-second wait. So we can go up here at the top, and it'll take a couple seconds for us to start populating the screenshots. But over here already, we can currently see what I am actively doing on the computer. So I'm going to click right here at screenshots. Track populated a screenshot here, and we can currently click on it, and we can see the full screen. So if you have multiple monitors, it shows both of them. And this allows you to give a better picture of what the user is doing. What's really is a nice feature is if we go back to this activity log, we can take a look here, and it'll actually list that screenshot right here with activity. So you can just click on it, and now you can see what's going on. If you guys are interested, we do encourage you to go ahead and give ActivTrak a try. Like I said, they do allow up to 3 computers free on reporting. And I have included a link at the bottom of this post if you'd like to take a look. Once again, thank you for listening. You have a good day.